Jeff Shepard manages production and maintenance for DA Incorporated. Here's what he has to say about Viking Plastics Tool Repair Service. Working with Viking is great. They continuously meet our needs with quality repairs and quick turnaround times. The Viking Plastics team specializes in manufacturing and repairing plastic injection molds and production molding. Those tools you depend on, well, they can experience cracking, excessive wear, galling, erosion, pitting, cosmetic problems, and distortion during heat treatment, machining, or service. And that tool repair checklist, well, that can be pretty extensive. Even preventive maintenance takes your machinists away from production time. Viking Plastics Tooling experts repair all types of mold systems, incorporating machining, welding of tool steels and exotic metals, hydraulics, pneumatics, electronics, mechanics, and electromechanics. So, how can you reduce downtime, make sure your tools are performing at peak efficiency, and feel good that your repairs are done right? Call the Viking Plastics team in Jeffersonville, Indiana. No plastics experts can boast the tool-making experience we have, 250 years worth. Our team is available to work on your emergency repairs, including overnight, weekends, and holidays, to minimize your downtime. For engineering changes, maintenance, and repairs, call Viking Plastics today.